If you're looking to make the most out of your business or career, you've come to the right place. WeCo works like a puzzle. We start with you as the first piece of that puzzle, and then depending on what you already have, your ideas and skills, causes and passions and interests, we simply help you complete that puzzle. You don't need to worry about over investing or spending too much time or too much risk. That's a complete paradigm shift from anything that you knew about the workplace where you have to fit into a specific context. Here, you create your own context, and it doesn't have to be just one. You can explore business and career at the same time. You can indicate your business roles, capture all of your ideas, and let them run at their individual pace. You don't have to choose one thing and be stuck with that. In a world where everything is changing so rapidly, it's very important to diversify your income streams. You may want to start a business, but you also want to do some gig on the side. You never know when one can stop and the other one will have to kick in or accelerate. WeCo gives you all these possibilities to start something, to do something all concurrently. WeCo is the only place that intentionally engineered for this one purpose. Help you capture everything that you bring to the table and then build around it. Let me show how it works. It starts with our individual profile. It's broken down into three main sections: bio, skills, and resources. Let's go through each and every one of them. Bio basically shows about me, what I love to do, how I can help, what I'm looking for, my passions, objectives, languages that I speak, and gives at a very quick glance who I am as a person. Whether for your own project or for someone else's, this is the place for you to define all of the roles that you would like to play. This way, you don't need to create one version of your resume. It will be your unique mix that now becomes searchable for anybody who's looking to work with you or collaborate with you. Let me give you an example. Let's say you like generating different ideas. You click on this red color, this department called ideation. These are all the roles that have to do with generating ideas. You go through each and every one of them. If you like what you see, you can click on the plus and it becomes part of your profile. If you don't, you skip it, you go to the next one. If you don't like any of the suggested roles, you can add your own and it will become part of your profile. The whole idea is that looking for an opportunity should not be a full-time job. Whether they're joining into your project or they will be looking to hire you for theirs, in a very quick glance without you wasting time on them, they'll see, okay, this is exactly how this person can help. This is exactly the role that we need, and it's a perfect match. So then with this pre-qualification, let's take it to the next level. So once you've completed indicating and selecting your roles, it takes you back to the dashboard, and here you can see all of the projects that you're involved with, whether it's something you've started, joined, applied, or invited, as well as your currently selected roles. Our personal profile is concluded with the resource section, where we again give you the flexibility to choose the types of compensation. You may choose to be compensated by cash, equity, goods, and so on. And also the investment, because if you're willing to support or invest in some other projects, that's the place to indicate this, because if you come across with a great idea, then you may want to become a part of it. If you have a business or you're thinking of starting one, WeCo is the perfect place for you to assemble a truly winning team. Let me show you how it works. We have taken most of the issues that founders face when it comes to building a team, and we've addressed. For example, reiterating what is that we're building. Instead of doing this, we have a project mission, which is broken into problem, solution, and the next milestone. So anybody who asked me what I'm onto, I said, okay, check out my WeCo profile. When it comes to the question, how can I help? That's why I have my project team section. Go to my required roles. You will see exactly for each department all the roles that my project requires, which are automatically populated as soon as you generate your project on WeCo. You don't even need to think, who do you need? What should be their job responsibilities? What should be the skills? Applicants self-qualify and self-filter before I even talk to them. And the resource section of your project shows to you all the compensation types that your project can pay. Again, we give you the full flexibility to do whatever works for your project. Once your project profile is completed on WeCo, you can just go ahead and share it. Anyone from my existing network or anyone new that I meet, they ask me what I do and tell me more. People can review what are the types of compensations for each project, what is the roles required, what the project is all about, all nice in one place. You just share one link and people, without even registering, they can already see who is on the team and who do you require. WeCo exists to help you to take away this grunt work, this repetitive, often annoying real work. You set it in a few minutes and you just let it go.